Bea, congratulations!
Thank you po, Miss Diane.
Top 5, how did it feel?
Well, when they were calling all of the countries po, it was always exhilarating. Just waiting for Philippines to be called.
Yeah, were you
And
nervous?
sobrang, surprisingly hindi po. Usually I feel nervous, like even during rehearsals, kinakabahan ako. Pero kanina parang, kasi it was the last time that we will be up on that stage and makakasama ko yung mga delegates. I was just really enjoying the moment and doing my best. So, binigay ko na po lahat sa experience ko kanina and I'm just really happy with the results. 7th one to be called to top 10 and then I was last sa top 5.
Were you nervous waiting or you were confident na makakapasok ka?
I was quite confident po na makakapasok po tayo.
Yeah, top 5, super good. I mean, wow. You really made us proud. Overall, how are you feeling right now?
Well, I'm just really happy that I was able to deliver a really good performance for the Filipino people, especially that majority of the audience are Filipinos. Of course, I wanted to show them what we are capable of and really just do my best. So I'm very satisfied with everything that I did and no regrets. Alam kong nabigay ko lahat. So walang mga doubts. And I'm really happy that we were able to reach the top 5.
Okay, so in the top 5, there was the Q&A. How did you feel?
Well, I was paano po ba? Ini-enjoy ko lang po yung tanong at the same time kinabahan po ako kasi I didn't expect lang na ganun yung mga questions na parang I thought it was more about our personality and yun lang. But actually contented with my answer. I was satisfied naman with how everything went well.
You look super good in the Francis Libiran gown. Wow. Ikaw daw yung pumili? Ikaw yung pumili ng gown? You chose to wear that gown out of the 4 that you brought to Israel?
Yes. I always said po kasi even before during the Miss Universe Philippines competition, I always wanted to wear a gold gown. Pero yung mga designs ni Mama Fern for me was in bold colors, yung blue and red. So when I saw that Sir Francis made a gold gown, parang na-excite po ako and kaya ko siya pinili kasi parang dream come true to be wearing a gold gown on stage.
So you did your fierce look in the first part of your walk, I noticed.
I did. I remembered, nagbabasa ko ng mga comments that I remembered.
Yeah. Ikaw yung pinakamaraming cheer dun sa venue. You were the most
Yes.
popular candidate. Ang daming Pilipino.
Na-surprise nga po kahit si Steve Harvey na ang daming Pilipino sa audience para daw hindi Israel yung pinuntahan natin. Pero I'm really happy for and grateful for the support. Yung iba galing pa sa ibang bansa, lumipad lang talaga dito para manood ng Miss Universe. And despite the situation of COVID here in Israel, marami pa rin nakarating. So grateful talaga ako sa lahat ng suporta ng mga Pilipino.
Yeah.
Si Miss India, she's one of our roommate and we all knew na siya po talaga yung mananalo. We were all rooting for her kasi nga she works really hard and there are even times na sobrang pressured niya na tinutulungan namin So we're very happy for her. We know what she's capable of, and we're very happy with the result. We're proud of her.
So what's next, Bea? When are you? What are your activities for the day? And what are you doing tomorrow?
So it's just 7 a.m. here. Kakabalik lang namin sa hotel galing sa venue. So, una namin ginawa is kumain kami ng breakfast kasi hindi maayos yung dinner namin last night because of the preparations, and we were anxious also kaya hindi na namin nagawa yung kumain ng marami. So, bumawi kami ngayon sa breakfast, and then after breakfast, we're gonna go pack our things because some of the girls will be going home na.
Okay, what about you?
The same thing po. I'm eating breakfast now, and then after I'll go up, take off my makeup, sleep siguro for a while, and then pack my things because I will be flying to Manila na tomorrow.
Oh, you're flying to Manila tomorrow, and then pagdating mo dito, are you going stay to Cebu or you're going to stay a few days in Manila?
I believe I have to be in quarantine pa po when I get there. So, yun muna, and then I'll wait for my schedule from the organization kung may events for Christmas. I have no idea yet, pero I still have to wait.
Oh, nga pala, I forgot about the quarantine. Galing, what are you eating for breakfast?
Well, I just have egg and ravioli. And tapos na kami kumain, so I can show my plate. Pero yun lang, nothing too heavy para makatulog.
Okay, congrats, Bea. I hope to talk to you again and see you here in Manila. Super
See you
proud of
po.
you.
Thank you.
Galing ng performance mo.